Okay, here's my inner fender protector, whatever you call it, that you remove. That took, geez, to get the wheel off and that, maybe 10 minutes, 5 minutes, pretty quick. Which leaves this, and this is, I'm doing the EGR, by the way. Sorry, this is just how you access it, by far the easiest way. And I mean, it sounds like it's a pain in the rear, but it's not been so far. There's the EGR right up there. I've got the wrench. Oops, sorry. I had a light on it there. Had the socket on the 8mm bolt that holds the pipe onto the EGR. That's the EGR. I've removed this 10mm bolt, which is quite easy. And then the other one's just up behind. You can't see it. It's really easy to find, though. You just stick your finger up there and find it. I'll see how that goes after I get this pipe off. I'm taking this pipe off first before I do the second bolt, because then you can pivot the whole EGR if I push the top away from me. So if I pivot it, if I push that away, it'll pivot on that other bolt, which will spin it, help loosen it, ideally, instead of just having to try to break it free with just the wrench. We'll see how that goes. And that's what I've learned from other videos. And just the 8mm socket with an extension reaches these two 8mm real easy. And just a regular 10mm socket on that other one. So far, so good. I'll let you know how we go. But I'm personally, I'm not finding the access nearly as tough as I thought it was going to be based on some other videos. I'll let you know when I'm done. Okay, so I've got that back nut loose. See, I've got a wrench on it there. It's got a ratcheting closed other end on a hinge. But see, once I got that out and this bolt out, then you just push the top away from you. So I put a wrench under here like that, and I torqued that to pivot it like that, which broke the other bolt loose. And then just with a regular, not even a shorty, just a regular wrench, it came quite loose. So I'm using one of these, and at that angle, it's fine. It worked fine to get in there, just a 10mm. So it popped right loose. Once I moved this by sticking a large adjustable, what I did was stick a large adjustable under here to pry it up, to break the seal, and it worked fine. So now the key is to get it out, undo and get the electrical clip off, and then just put the new one on. And touch wood, it fixes the problem. Who knows? All right, thanks. Hope that helps someone. Okay, here I am back on the Jeep JK with the 3.8 doing the EGR. I've got it all loose, and then there's the connection's got to come off. I've got the red tab slipped over, but to pinch that and slide it off, I'm finding the hardest bit of this project, because yeah, I've tried to take this pipe off up top, but it's still, something's holding it. Can't figure out what. I've undone the midway bracket. I don't see anything holding it anyway, so that's there. This spark plug, unplug that. That makes a big difference. So I'm just working at pinching that and pulling that off. There's the EGR valve there off. All right. Okay. Keep you informed.